Okay, this game is called Exercise Your Demons. Now, normally I would play this kind of game on my other YouTube channel, Vamp, but I'm sure you guys have noticed I've been looking for some kind of exercise style VR games. I do enjoy the idea of exercising while in VR, and we are in the new year, so and New Year's resolutions and all that, usually everyone is all about trying to find exercise stuff, so I figure we'll give this a go. The tutorial gave us these cool looking gloves, and as you can see, this is a mixed reality experience. I will be honest, I did not know that at first, so my, you know, place isn't as clean as it could be. We're gonna chat with the trainer. I just want to show you what that's like real quick. Okay, we have no soul bars. So, let's go to him, prepare for a battle. We can choose different places. I'm going to choose this. We can choose easy, solid, or brutal. We're going to choose solid. We can choose whichever trainer we want. Okay, this is the trainer that we are going to choose. We could do custom chaos, but I don't know. I feel like we should probably just keep it the way it would be. Okay. Okay, and then these are enemies we gotta fight. Okay. Okay. Okay, it says keep trying. Okay, I'm not entirely sure. Maybe we should go through the tutorial. I opted not to do the tutorial, but anytime you want, you can actually go to settings and hit replay tutorial. So, okay. Yeah, okay, so that's a duck thing. Okay.
I am beaming with pride.
Okay.
Above you, flying in with their negative auras.
Oh, it's above me. Oh. Okay.
Keep an eye on the red vials on the gateway. That will track your health.
Oh, okay. So I have 4 health vials right there.
If a flying
Hmm.
enemy is red, watch out.
Ooh.
Coming in
Okay.
contact with one, even a punch, will harm you. The indicator above their
Hmm.
heads will tell you who is attacking next.
Okay. 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 I'll be honest. Oh. Okay. That actually caught me off guard.
Pupil, do you see those
Hmm.
eyes on the gateway?
Yeah.
Once all of those oculi are open, your trainer will be able to assist you.
Huh. Okay.
Press the A button on your controller. Wipeout time! That's my move, human.
Okay.
Total all-out attack that clears out the metaphorical
Hmm.
screen.
My assist will send us into a state of zen, greatly
Huh.
enhancing your damage output, because nothing is more powerful than peace.
Okay.
Uh-oh, the book is reconfiguring the portal's location.
Hmm.
There might be some debris as we move locations.
Huh.
Tighten your core and get ready to duck and dodge as we move to the next
Duck,
locale.
dodge. Okay, next location. Okay, this is like Twilight Zone style. Okay.
Human! Great work!
Okay. Yep.
I'm impressed, pupil. You showed that even the most
Hmm.
powerful demon can be transformed into something as harmless as a margarine fly.
Yep.
Harmless, huh?
Hmm.
Then I shall call forth the real might of our military force.
Hmm.
It's going to take a lot more than some weak
Hmm.
tabs to defeat us.
Okay.
I hate to spoil the party, but
Hmm.
I don't think that book and its army are giving up anytime soon.
Maybe, maybe not.
You're right, Fron. Guess you're gonna need a gym buddy.
Hmm.
Or
Maybe.
spiritual guide.
Okay.
Game on, Z-Dog.
Idle hands are the demon's playthings.
Hmm. Okay. Wow.
Hey, did you bring any snacks
Let's
with you?
prepare for battle.
Focus.
Okay,
No
let's go easy, okay, this time around.
So, the
Yeah.
human wants to
You know why we're getting ahead of it. Yeah, why we're getting used to.
Hey! Ow! Oh! Wait! Wait! Oh! Fry 'em up! Ow! Hey! A super!
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah. Okay, let's.
Fry 'em up!
Okay.
Hot super!
Okay. I'm. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I'll be honest, some of the. I do wish there was an option for this to be a non mixed reality experience as well. I feel like that would be cool. Plus, I'll be honest, these orbs don't work as well as you'd think all the time. They don't register a lot, but those punches do register just fine. And this part is pretty fun.
As formidable as you thought, mortal.
Okay. Yeah, these orbs, not really feeling them that much. Okay, but these, I like these quite a bit. Okay, more.
Fry 'em up! Wait! Oh! Hey! A super! Oh! Hey! Hey!
Yep.
Fry 'em up! Wait! Fry 'em up!
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Fry 'em up! Oh! Watch the cooking!
Okay.
Oh!
Yeah. Okay. I think that's all of them, right? Oh, now we gotta do this, say. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay.
I love the jacket.
Wait. It's not over yet? So if you're watching this, creators of the game, I would love there to be like a non-mixed reality option for this. Like maybe you could just make it into like a blank space or extend something or whatnot. We reach maximum zen in case you wonder. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Not bad.
The sweet sound
Okay.
of failure.
We're going to go back to the main menu. Because I think that was a good workout, honestly.
You and me, human.
Like I said, I really wish there was you know, mixed reality, non-mixed reality option. Did not. As far as I know,
I am not a book that will.
if I'm wrong and there is, definitely feel free to point that out. But overall, I think this is a good game. I enjoy it quite a bit. I, of course, have my own thoughts about it, but yeah, there's my thoughts about it, as I just mentioned.
Will be censored.
The whole orb things, I think they need some work, and I think mixed reality, non-mixed reality mode would be a good option. But I don't know how much that, how much people would prefer that or not, honestly. I'm a little bit biased towards that option since I'm a content creator and I actually show my screen and whatnot for when I play the games. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.